Good morning guys, welcome to another video. This is Russell, also known as Wix BMW, and we have the F80 M3. In today's video, we're going to be installing these clear taillights. So these taillights work for the F80 and F30 chassis, so if you have any of those cars, tune in. So these are the clear taillights. I know they make GTS taillights and the new G80 taillights. They all work the same way, so I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove and install the new taillights. Unfortunately guys, my PSM diffuser has broken off in the highway. It's a big 3-piece diffuser. The bottom piece came out. It looks disgusting, but I have a new diffuser coming in guys. Stay tuned for that video. But the F80 has been good. I lowered the car, just waiting to add the spacers and alignment. But it looks super aggressive guys. Let's get into the video. We have a couple screws to take off here. So we have 4 along the line here, and we have 2 here and 2 here. So we're gonna go ahead and remove this piece. Then once you guys get about halfway through, I recommend using pliers to just pull them out, and you're gonna go ahead and do this all the way around. Next, we're gonna remove these plastic covers on the pillars here, so we're gonna go on both sides. I see these 2 little clips. So we're gonna use one of our flathead screwdrivers. We're just gonna clip it out, pop them open, so top, bottom, super easy. Same thing on this side. These are gonna see top, bottom. We're gonna just clip them out. Another step guys, we're gonna need to remove this emergency trunk opener. So to do that, you squeeze here and then pull this little wire out. And the last step guys, you're gonna see 2 little screws here. We're just gonna unscrew these last 2 and we should be good to go. Alright guys, once you removed all the screws, just pop out the quarter from the bottom. Make sure the trunk goes inside, and it should just pop out super easy like that guys. Just set it somewhere out the way, and that's how you guys expose the trunk. Alright, once you guys remove the cover, you guys can see the inner tail light here. There's gonna be a little tab, and pull this piece out. We're gonna remove this little piece right here. Once this is removed, the tail light is free to go. Just like that guys, that's how you remove the inner tail light piece. So super easy guys, just place this out the way. Then you guys can see the inner tail lights are removed on both sides. Now we're gonna go ahead and install the clear tail light here. So the clear tail light, we're gonna go ahead and remove the little plastic covering, run all the wires through. Alright, once we place the tail light, we're gonna make sure it clips in. I'm having an issue guys, so I put both of them to mock it in, and I'm having an issue with it clipping on. This clip clipping into here, I don't understand why. I'm gonna try shaving down the clip inside and see if that hooks on, but other than that, so far so good guys. Alright you guys, we figured it out. So I had to shave down the plastic little trim piece that goes inside, and it was too thick, so basically we made it a little thinner. I'll show you guys on this one. On the aftermarket one, it was a little too thick, so it wouldn't fit in there, so I had to shave down the inner for it to clip on, and it's nice and snug, not going anywhere. So if you guys come across that, just shave in the inner piece and you should be good to go. Okay guys, next we're gonna go ahead and remove the strip tray. We're gonna use a flathead and just unscrew it. Next step, once you remove the cover, go ahead and remove these 2, and the tail light should pop right out. Flip the little wire connecting the tail light, and the tail light is removed guys. Woo! So add it to the pile of the other tail lights, and now we're gonna go ahead and put on the new one. Let's go guys. Then afterwards guys, I recommend just cleaning up inside of the tail light. Let's make everything nice and clean. Alright guys, just to do a little test, so I'm gonna unlock it. So it's sequential. I didn't know it's sequential, guys. So it looks really cool. I don't know what this little wire is for, but I'm just testing to see what it does. If you guys know what this is, please let me know. I don't think I'm gonna put it on, but yeah. All right, guys, so we're gonna stick it into the ball joint right here and align all the two little points sticking out. Once you see it sit flush, we're gonna go ahead and re-screw these two on, and that should be it. As you guys can see, it looks so good already. So we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. So just remove, clean it up, and put it back in. We're gonna move the drain cover here, and then I'll show you guys how it looks after. Alright, you guys, we encountered another issue. Look at this, guys. So just want to show you guys. Look, one of them doesn't work. Like, what the hell? This one works and this piece popped out. What the hell? Yeah, I don't know how I'm feeling about the clear tail lights, but let me see what I can do to get them fixed. Just wanted to show you guys how real it is installing aftermarket parts, but yeah. Alright, you guys, this is the finished product for now. We're gonna go to our homie's house. He's gonna help us install it and swap these tail lights. So we're gonna go ahead and drive, and we're gonna spawn into his house. It looks so good with the yellow. Looks so cool, guys. But we're gonna get these fixed. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks when we get there. We stopped at Starbucks really quick, got a green tea frappuccino. I love driving the F80, guys. Coming from the F30, driving the F80, it feels so good. Also, it's snowman season, so if you guys haven't got the snowman cookie from Starbucks, I highly recommend. One of the best cookies out there. Damn, whole lot of hay. Alright, guys, good news. We made it to the homie's house and he had a replacement. Looks so much better now. Finally works. Woo! Came prepared and everything. Alright, guys, the trunk is a mess, but he's taking care of us, making sure this piece fits really nicely. I'm happy it looks good. I didn't even know these were sequential either.
Yeah.
Damn, that looks sick.
It looks nice on the yellow.
Alright, guys, the taillights are completed. Look how cool it looks on Austin yellow. Let me know what you guys think. We're gonna go ahead and hear his car. He has the yellow DRLs on the F80 CS. Ooh, valves closed. Sounds really good. M3 CS. Damn. Was that a roll cage I saw? Ooh, damn, look at this, guys. Yellow DRLs, this looks so nice. It's all about the details, guys. Behind the scenes, guys.
What's up, guys? We're over here with Wix. We're gonna throw some frameless mounts on his car, so let's see how we do that. First, we're just gonna pop these little covers off. Screw them in. Put the plate on there. Make sure that everything lines up straight. After that, we have to peel off this little red piece so that we can reveal the double-sided tape. Push that up. Behind the mount, you just pull it out. It's right there.
Just look at this frameless plate, BMW F80. If I'm doing a photo shoot or something, you can just take it off one side, other side. Super easy, guys. Alright, you guys, to conclude today's video, it looks so beautiful. Like, I love the way it looks on Austin yellow. Just look how cool it looks. It has sequential tail lights. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks with the light on as well. So lights on, so still red. Let me know what you guys think down below. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.